Hello, so in my previous video I spoke around social work law and why it's relevant to practice, and in this video today I'm going to be talking about social work law and bringing up this book again by Alison Brammer just to really speak around how I prepared for my social work exam. And the first thing is that I did use revision cards like I used to do in school or college, and this really helped me get through the exam. But I think sometimes I have a tendency to write too much down and then feel like I just can't remember anything at all, which is why I found this book useful, because it provides chapter summaries but also in bullet point form. So I actually was able to use some of those as headings and then make sure that I was putting all of the relevant pieces from the chapter under those, and that helped me to make sure that I was looking at everything that was relevant and important as part of that. So it kind of took away from my need to identify that myself, so that made it much easier. And then something that I did was I actually read those cards out loud, and I made that into a recording on my phone, and I played that through when I was like driving or doing another thing, and I found that that really helped, because they say that if you use different senses to sort of learn things, it can help. So hearing it helped me alongside writing it down and sort of repeating the same sentence over and over again so that I was remembering it, and then also reading it as well. And I think that in general it just really helps you to find like the key terms. So things like proportionality is always a term that you hear in social work, and then with it having the glossary of key terms, I find that I'm then able to look things up if there's something I don't understand. So then that doesn't stunt me when I'm trying to sort of take on all of the information, because there's quite a lot to learn when you're doing the legal side. But I think it really helped me to understand that it's the principles of human rights and social justice that sort of underpin everything. So focus on the human rights legislation, because you can see how that sort of underpins everything else. And I think when I understood that, and it was all about people's rights, it kind of helped me understand everything else a little bit better. Because if you can understand the principle of something, you can generally understand the rest of it. So there's some things that helped me. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, because that really helps me in the channel. So thank you.